Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an ice cream box. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a good pair of scissors, and reliable glue. Make sure your cardboard is at least 0.5 millimeters thick for the best results. Also, keep a ruler and a pencil handy. They are crucial for accurate measurements and clean lines throughout the process. Now, let's move on to measuring and cutting. Begin by marking out a perfect 6-inch by 6-inch square on your cardboard. This will be the base of your box. Next, carefully cut out 4 separate side panels, each measuring 6 inches in length and 4 inches in height. Remember to gently score your fold lines before bending to achieve those professional-looking, sharp edges. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Apply a thin, even layer of your chosen adhesive to the tabs on each side panel. Carefully align and press each side panel firmly onto the base, holding it in place for about 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond. It's important to let the glue dry completely for at least 15 minutes before moving on, ensuring a sturdy structure. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and ensure longevity. Feel free to personalize your ice cream box with paint, stickers, or custom labels to make it uniquely yours. For extra durability and protection, consider applying a clear protective coating. And hey, while you're making things awesome, remember life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description below for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.